Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to flip your camera on Zoom. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Zoom application if you haven't already. When entering the Zoom application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either create a new meeting or join an existing one, schedule a meeting and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and either join a meeting, or if you have by a meeting ID, we do not currently have a meeting guys, so we're going to go ahead and create our own. So guys, here when creating the meeting, you can see that we now have the option to start our video camera. So I currently do not have a webcam, but if you enable this option right here guys, then you will appear right here looking at the camera. So guys, what we're going to do, if you want to flip this camera image right here, then you want to go ahead and click the following. You want to go ahead and go to this option right here where you can start and stop your video, and you want to click this arrow pointing upwards. Go ahead and click on that guys, and now this will open up multiple options that you can use for editing your profile, and you want to go ahead and click this first option right here called video settings. So guys, go ahead and click on video settings right here. And after clicking on video settings guys, this will bring you to this new options page where you can edit your video settings for your Zoom camera. So as you can see, the first option right here is the option to mirror your video. So guys, if you want to flip your camera, then all you have to do is go ahead and enable this option or disable it. As you can see, it will flip the camera in the image that you have. So guys, after that, after you're satisfied how it looks, leave it like that, and then you can leave out, you can just exit out of these options, and now your camera will be changed and flipped. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.